Good evening, guys. Another topic mode of action of abscisic acid and physiological effects of abscisic acid. First, நம்ம abscisic acid என்னன்னு பார்த்துடலாம். அதோட chemical formula C15H20O4. Abscisic acid was originally discovered for its role in regulating abscission and bud dormancy. Like other plants hormones, it has multiple functions in growth of plants. Certain plants have been found to contain a new type of hormone which acts as growth inhibitor. A plant hormone which promotes leaf detachment, induces seeds, bud dormancy, and inhibits germination. It is a lipid hormone of plant origin which is involved in cell signaling. It inhibits plant cell growth and it is associated with fruit drop, leaf death, and seed dormancy, and helps plants respond to water loss and seasonal changes. Its effect can be reversed with gibberellins. It is synthesized in plastids from carotenoids. Mode of action of abscisic acid. It may compete with auxins, gibberellins, or cytokinins for specific enzyme site since it is known to be antagonists to their effects. It may inhibit the biosynthesis of other growth hormones or even inactive them. Abscisic acid may inhibit RNA and protein synthesis. It may stimulate the production of certain hydrolytic enzymes. Physiological effects of abscisic acid. Abscisic acid acts as growth inhibitor and induces bud dormancy in variety of plants. Spelling mistake. It regulates the dormancy of bud and seeds probably by initiating growth process. Abscisic acid accelerates the census of leaves. The effect can however be reversed by cytokinins in duckweed. Abscisic acid inhibits the germination of seeds such as those of lettuce, but this can be reversed by kinetin. It inhibits gibberellin stimulated growth in various tests. It is believed to act as a specific antagonist to gibberellic acid and therefore termed as anti-gibberellins. மேம் அது கீழே போயிடுச்சு மேம் ஆன்டிகிப்ரலின்ஸ் அது மேம் Abscisic acid inhibits gibberellin induced alpha amylase formation in barley. It causes aging and abscission of leaves. It promotes root growth and inhibits shoot growth. It regulates gene expression. Abscisic acid is a powerful growth inhibitor. It causes 50% inhibition of growth of oat seeds. Abscisic acid causes closure of stomata. As the name suggests, abscisic acid is a hormone that stimulates abscission. Abscisic acid controls geotropic responses of root. It stimulates positive geotropism in roots. Growth inhibitor. Some organic substances produced in the plant inhibit the plant growth. These substances are called growth inhibitors. They inhibit the elongation in roots, stem, and leaves. For example, ethylene is a potent inhibitor of bud growth. Abscisic acid inhibits lateral bud growth in tomato. Thank you.